right off the bat, the place is a very beautiful place. The resort is absolutely wonderful. So right off the bat, the place is a very beautiful place. The resort is absolutely wonderful, and I think this is one of the best facilities that I've stayed in so far in the course of my travels and my experience with civil society and youth engagement. And it's absolutely wonderful because the most striking thing with the facilities here is the hospitality. I think the hospitality is like the most important thing. You know, the way the people treat the guests, the way they treated us on arrival, how kind they are, the nice words that they use, you know, wishing us well and all of that. I think that is something that is wonderful, and we could definitely apply a little bit of that in our own individual and personal lives. And so I'm not going to give you much of a story right here. I'm just going to go ahead and do a room tour, and then equally I'm going to go to the gym. I don't know where the gym is right now, but I'm going to look for it and then hit the gym and then just stroll around and see more of how the place looks like. So I'm going to do two things for you today. I'm going to do the room review or the room tour and then the gym. Yeah, you gotta make those gains. Let's go. So when you enter the room, there's like this corridor right here, and then there are the wardrobes. Wardrobes are quite large. Yeah, you can put all your clothes in here, your shoes and stuff. They're also well equipped with like hangers and stuff, and there's equally an ironing table, and use that. And then right after that, there's the bathroom, which is immediately right here. You can see the nice mirror there. The lighting is equally good, beautiful lighting over here. And here's the bathtub. Yeah, fill that water, get some soaking in and all of that. Some products, skincare products and all of that stuff. Yeah, skincare products. They call it the sink. The sink kind of looks like a bowl put on a table, but then you can't move, you know, so it's nice. And then here is the shower. Yeah, quite nice. Modern. Just all of this open, and then you wash your skin, and then the water just kind of goes down through this drain like this, and everything is dry, and it's sweet, pretty sweet. And then here is the toilet. You can keep it closed right there. And yeah, when you leave the bathroom, come to the mirror. This arrangement is almost like the arrangement at Ibis Hotel in Douala. I don't know, it's like all international hotels have almost the same sort of schematic in the way they arrange their facilities and sorts. So this almost looks like one in Ibis Douala, except for the wardrobe, which is here, and the Ibis Douala wardrobe was that way. Okay, so now you come into the room. It's a massive space. There's like this big TV on the wall, always broadcasting stuff in Arabic. I wish I understood Arabic. Okay, I wish I understood Arabic, but I don't. But I'm going to learn some of the words so that I can handle at least basic interactions with the Arabs here and the Egyptians and people from other countries. Yeah. Okay, let's continue this talk. Yeah, so here's the bedroom. Here's the bedroom here with two beds, two massive beds that's really big. I'm just going to use one. There's a table here with my one laptop, and then that's the other laptop right there, and then there's this chair. Very wonderful. I haven't even unpacked. I'm so tired yesterday. And then coming right here, there's the balcony. Yeah, the balcony with this wonderful seats. The view is awesome from here. Wonderful view. Shoes right there. And then impeccable. The weather is awesome. The environment is good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.